Welcome to my channel, The Beat Guy. Today I'm gonna show you a quick video about creating the hip hop beat, simple hip hop beat, using Logic Pro X. Let's get started. Software instrument track. Let me set the tempo to 90, typical hip hop tempo. So for this, I'm gonna select a trap attack 2 VST. I like that. It's a good sample for hip hop drums. Let me set the cycle mode on. You can see my keyboard, but I'm recording kick and snare first. Okay, let me open the piano roll. I am quickly gonna quantize this thing. Okay. Not bad. Let's quickly record the hi-hats. I'm gonna do a 8th hi-hat first, and then I'll show you a quick tip about how to do um, rolls of hi-hats, which are typically used in the trap songs. There's a good hi-hat. Let's quickly quantize this. Let's see how it sounds. Let me reduce the velocity, and let me add some swing. It's good for a hi-hat, around 35. Good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some hi-hat rolls here. This is a good place to add some roll. So this is a good tip, guys. Select a brush tool. Set your time quantization to 16 triplet, and quickly do this thing. It's a good roll. Okay, this is another position where I would like to put a good roll over there. Not bad. So this is a good beat to start with your hip hop track, and let's just listen to how the whole thing has come up.